Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can edit Instagram Reels using CapCut. So if you want to make your videos look trendy and professional, from transitions to effects, I'll cover everything you need to create smooth, aesthetic, and eye-catching edits. So in here, I've already added the clip that I want to edit. So first, what you're going to do is go to effects and in here find the diamond zoom effects, this one. Now apply it only to the first clip, apply it to the beginning like this. Here I'm going to adjust the size and also the intensity. And now for the next clip, you can add three keyframes in here, one at the start, second in the middle like this, and last one at the end. So for the second keyframe, you need to zoom in like this, and the last one, zoom in more, and repeat the steps for the next clip like this. And now you can add go in between the first and second keyframes, go to grabs, and for this keyframes you need to add the ease out grab, and for the last one add the cubic in. Do the same with the rest of the keyframes, ease out and then cubic in, this. And now under the second clip, go to video effects and add this, find this tremor strobe effect, this one, add it into the clip. Now click on object and choose all videos. So adjust it at the beginning like this and click on adjust and adjust the intensity to 100, atmosphere 20, and the speed 0. Duplicate it and put it on the next one. And here add another effect, which is a noise to effect. So find noise video effects and add the noise too. And make the line the same with the first effect. Click on object and choose all video. Now adjust the speed to 50. Duplicate for the next clip. And that's it. So this will be the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.